In this video, I'm going to be discussing a recipe that is very good for contractors who do contract jobs, for job seekers, for sales generally. If you have been battling rejection of one sort or the other, then this recipe is very good for you. Rejection of any form, if it's online, if it is offline, any form of rejection, even from the opposite sex, this recipe is very good for you. You are welcome to my channel, Smart Idea TV, where we discuss spirituality and give simple life hacks. Today in this video, I'm going to be giving you a recipe that you can prepare yourself to open doors for you if you have been battling rejection and you do contracts but they are not giving you job. Anytime you go for contracts, they turn you back. Anytime you go for job or you go job hunting, you are not successful. Or anytime you approach a lady, they turn you back. Or anytime a man looks at you, they leave you. Or anytime you are seeking help from people, you are being unlucky. Then if you start using this simple recipe, then those will be a thing of the past. Good luck will come, open door. You experience open doors. You experience breakthrough in all ramifications because you will be desired. As a contractor, jobs will be coming. If you are looking for a job, then job opportunities will open. You just pick the ones you want. And if you are a lady, you are looking for a suitor, or a man looking for a suitor, then you get them easily. People will not run away from you. People will not reject you. If you need help, people will come to your aid. You will see help with this simple recipe. You are going to be needing a tobacco leaf. Tobacco leaf. I'm going to be showing you the image. Tobacco leaf. Then two, you are going to be needing hemp leaf. Hemp leaf. I'm going to be showing that too. Then you are going to be needing bitter kola. Bitter kola. That's the three things you are going to be needing. And the fourth thing you also need is the soap. In this case, it's better to use tablet soap, and I preach white tablet soap. How do you prepare it? The preparation is also very simple. What you are going to be doing is the tobacco leaf, you get like 7 pieces of the leaf. Then the hemp leaf, you just get small, just not too many, just small, not too many. You can just get some pieces of the leaf. Then you add it. It can be 7, it can be 9, it can be 16, but not too many. You don't need so many, just little. Then you need one bitter kola. So what you are going to be doing is you are going to be grinding everything together. You first grind the leaf, the tobacco leaf, then you grind the hemp leaf, then you grind the bitter kola, the three. After grinding, you grind everything. After grinding, then you use everything to pack your soap. You have shredded your soap, the tablet soap. You shred it. After shredding it, then you pour everything into a mortar. Then you pound together. You mix them, pound them together, grind them together. Then it will become a soap. Just pack into a white container. Look for any white container. Make sure it is white. Make sure you pack everything and put inside the container. And once you put it inside the container, you have to keep it. First, keep it for 3 days before you start using it. Now, how do you use it? You are going to be using this to take your bath every morning. You don't use this soap at night. It's in the morning. Before going out. Even if you are not going out, make sure you use it in the morning, because some people work from home. So make sure you use soap to bath. Use it regularly. And I always preach that you get a new sponge for this. If you are using any spiritual item, it's better to have a new sponge. If you can get the local sponge, good. If not, you can get the synthetic soap, the synthetic sponge, the rubber sponge. But it's better to make it white. So after finishing the preparation, the recipe, then you can throw the sponge away. But make sure you use it every morning. There are 2 days that you cannot use it. It's on Wednesday and on Saturday. And I don't want you to ask me why are we not using on Saturday and Sunday, on Wednesday and Saturday. Most of my recipe, I don't recommend using on Wednesday and on Saturday for spiritualism, because there are explanation to this. I don't want to go into that. Though there are some recipe that you use on particularly on Wednesday. But this particular recipe, don't use it on Wednesday and on Saturday. But other days you can use it, but make sure you use it in the morning and not in the night or afternoon. It should be in the morning. Once you forget to use it one morning, then you don't have to use it again. Wait till the next day to use it. It has to be in the morning, early in the morning. That's when you use it. Hope this will help. If you use this and it works, I want the first 10 people to give me testimony on this soap, because this soap is something I don't have to give you for free. It's something I'm still in the happy mode, because recently we clocked 100,000 subscribers, and I promise that I'm going to be giving more of recipe that you can use to assist. Those recipes assisted me too, and they are going to assist you. I've given this to so many people because I use this to make money, but I'm giving it to you free because you are a valued subscriber and you have been following me for a while. At this stage, if you are not subscribed, consider subscribing. Subscription is free. Just hit on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Just mark all, so that anytime I release video, you'll be the first to be notified. And don't forget to like this video, share this, and comment. Go to the comment and share and comment. Write any good thing you know how to, or any question, put it in the comment. You can also go to the description and see my contact. You can contact me if you need assistance of any form, or if you need any product, or if you cannot prepare this product for one reason or this recipe for one reason, I can help you with it. You just contact me. I'll put my contact in the description, my email and my WhatsApp, that you can contact me. You can also contact me through the Telegram channel, and I'll be very glad to be of assistance. If you like this video, then you are going to like this video here. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.